My name's Grace Switzer. I'm a NICU manager of a level 3 NICU. We're 40 plus beds. We were using a slip tip product for our enteral feeding system. It was very simple, something we had used for years. And then we were approached by that company that they were no longer going to have the slip tip option due to an ISO compliance measure to have a safety tip on all enteral feeding syringes. So at first we didn't know much about that, what that meant, other than really just being told this is what we had to do. So we kind of moved through the motions, honestly got all the way to go live with the ENFit product. And during go live, we had a lot of concerns come up, concerns that you wouldn't really know unless you actually had the product in your hands and were using it on your patients. A lot of our concerns had to do with the moat that surrounds, it's a deep moat that's on the end of that ENFit connection. We were getting a lot of breast milk formula backing up into that moat and sitting there. And that's concerning. We never want to see that. And the solution from the company of the ENFit product was that they had cleaning tools that were an additional cost, as well as just a little bit concerning because why would an enteral product need something to be cleaned? With the slip tip, we've never had that issue. We were also told when the cleaning tool that was manufactured by the company wasn't working, that really a toothbrush would work better if we could just put a toothbrush at all of our bedsides. I think that was probably the last straw for us because I can't imagine parents walking in and seeing you cleaning their child's OG tube with a toothbrush. And that's where we started reaching out and trying to figure out what else there was. And we use Vigon products in other areas of our NICU. And so with talking to our rep, David, we figured out that they actually had an ISO compliant solution that had a safety connection, but it didn't have some of the pitfalls of the ENFit connection. So we were super desperate. They got us quickly some trial product to look at and to see the difference. And we really did see a difference. So we started pushing to pursue a trial go live with the Vigon NS2 system. And we did have some pushback from the other companies about ENFit and that was the only ISO compliant product. And we started digging into it, and we came to realize that the ISO compliance is to have a safety connection. It doesn't have to be ENFit. And so NS2 checked all the boxes. We got the product. We started using it, and we've been using it for 2 years, and I've never had to clean an OG tube. So that was what we really needed to see. We've never run out of product. We've never had a back order. It's just kind of honestly feels like back when we had the slip tip system, and it's just an everyday use. We don't have concerns. We don't have things come up. And we've been really happy with it. So I hope that anybody else who's looking into it or may want to pursue it, I hope that you do try it because it has a lot of benefits, and we use it on our smallest of babies to our term babies, and it works great.